In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is white, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. If you want to, you can also go into settings and scroll down to click on location section. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!